Hello, everybody. Welcome to the Kool Zone. Thank you for taking the time to watch us today. First off, we're going to start off with just our standard waffle batter. Everybody may have different ingredients than myself, so whatever fits you, make it happen. And we're going to put it in our trusty waffle maker, get it all set, and then boom, here we go. Voila. Now, let me tell you something, folks. This together, I was like, wow, this is amazing. I love how the cream cheese just complemented with the bananas and the strawberries. I wasn't expecting the taste to be that beautiful. But all right, I ain't gonna say much more. Enjoy the video. I love you guys. And here you have it, folks. This looks amazing. I had so much fun making this. I had so much fun eating this. Like, it was just an amazing experience. And let me tell you, a glass of mimosa with this right here, perfect combination. So definitely give this a try. And let me know what you think of this video. All right? I love you guys. Thank you for taking the time to watch. Kool Zone out.